Hi, welcome to Diagnosis Burger, and today we're doing the peanut butter and jelly boy. Cool, right, so today the peanut butter and jelly boy. So Lee, can I trust you to toast these buns?
Pressure.
Can I trust you to toast them?
Well,
that's the actual question.
I've done it once or twice before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, well, I'll leave you with that one.
Okay.
So you're a fan of this burger, aren't you, Lee?
I am, yeah. Not everyone is.
Not everyone is a fan. No, well, if you don't like peanut butter and jelly, then you're not going to like this burger. Don't bother making it. Don't even come and order it, because that's all that's in it, really, is peanut butter and jelly. Although it's interesting that the Americans call it jelly.
Yeah.
When really, it is jam.
It's jam.
And there's not much jellyish to it, is there?
No.
So we'll talk about these elements first. So obviously we're toasting the bun first. Always important to toast your bun. So the jelly, or as the Americans call it, or jam, as it should properly be called, that we use for this is a bacon jam. So with the bacon jam, what we do for that is we saute down some bacon till we get it a little bit sort of crispy, render some of that fat out, then we chuck in some finely diced onion, sweat it all down so it's really, really sort of sweet, and then we add some brown sugar, some black coffee, and then some balsamic vinegar, and then we just let that sort of cook down until it's really sort of like thick and sort of gloopy like that. So do you know who the best jam maker in the world is, Lee?
Oh, you tell me, Merv.
Will Smith. He never makes a whack jam.
I wish that was the first time you told me that joke.
We've been practicing that one. So that's the first element, is the jam. Now the second one is peanut butter. Now you could at home, if you wanted, you could just use peanut butter straight out of the store cupboard or whatever, but the peanut butter that we use in the restaurant, and what we're going to show you today, is this one. So what we do is we take some regular chunky peanut butter. It's got to be the chunky because you want that sort of like texture going through it, don't you? And then we mix it down to make it a little bit spicy with a bit of blitzed up chipotles and some cream, just to make it all sort of a bit more sort of like unctuous and sort of rich, and give it a little bit of heat as well. Cool. So it's a little bit of a weird combination, isn't it? Peanut butter and sort of jam. But is there any other sort of weird combinations that you're a fan of, Lee?
Well, I'll tell you what, that lad that made that burger for us that had a donut.
Yes.
That was nice. Yeah. We're going to be putting that on the specials menu for him soon, aren't we?
Yes, yeah, I think when we open back up, yeah, we'll be sort of doing that. I had a donut burger before, years ago, and it was horrendous. I was on the judging panel for Grillstock's burger competition, like a couple of years after we won it, and we had to taste 25 different burgers, which sounds brilliant, and it is brilliant for like the first 5, and then you just start feeling gradually iller and iller.
They never asked me, so I wouldn't know.
No, I don't think they know you are.
No.
So then we got like, by the 25th burger, the 25th one they sent up was a donut burger, and it was offensive, this one. It was a strawberry glazed donut, cut in half, obviously with a beef patty in and that, but they got the bacon and they dipped it in white chocolate as well.
That sounds like it's too much.
It was horrible, especially after 25. It was actually a struggle to keep it down. Right, okay, so we're going to put the bacon jam on the bottom of the bun there, and then on the top we're going to put the peanut butter. But first of all, let's get these patties cooking. So I think we're going to go for 6-ounce thick patty today, Lee.
You know the way I like it, Dad?
You're a fan of a thick patty, aren't you?
I am.
Cool. I do like a smash, but I am a big fan of a thick one as well. So
Yes.
we've got 2 grass-fed Herefordshire beef patties there from Neil Powell, our butcher.
Yeah.
Okay, and we're going to season these up quite a bit on the top. Okay, so next up, while those are cooking, we're going to put some of this peanut butter on the top. Now, you generally a fan of peanut butter, Lee?
I am, yeah. I'm a fan of the peanut butter boy. It's nice because, like you say, the peanut butter is quite spicy, but you don't notice it when you're eating the burger itself because of all the other elements.
Yeah, like the sweetness of the bacon jam sort of like works against the heat, doesn't it?
Yeah, I quite like a slider one of these. It's like a little.
Oh yeah, a little taster one.
Yeah, that's quite nice as well.
Nice. And this is actually my mum's favourite burger as well. Although she has it with chicken.
Does she?
She does, yeah. Peanut butter chicken. She loves it. So any of our burgers, if you come to the restaurant, we'll do most of them come with beef, but if you want, we can swap it out for a char grilled chicken breast or a deep fried thigh, or if you really want, we can do a beanie version of it, a vegetarian one. Although obviously the bacon jam would not be vegetarian. Right, so we're going to flip these burgers now. And it's super important when you're cooking any burger that you try and make sure you keep all the crust on that. So getting the right angle on your spatula, mad important. Oh, look at the crust on that. Right. And it's also super important you never over squeeze your burgers. Right, so we're going to season that up. Now we also on this one we like to have a little bit of smoked bacon on there as well. So we'll get that going. So there's not much to this burger really. It is literally just peanut butter and sort of bacon jam, really. So I mean, we also offer you can have bacon jam. It kind of works on almost any burger, bacon jam. It doesn't have to be just for this one. So that's a really, really good recipe, that one, if you want to use on, yeah, you just make it a normal cheeseburger or whatever. It's a pretty good jam to use. What about weird combinations which aren't food? Like?
Gremlins 2.
Gremlins 2, that is a weird combination. They combine a lot of weird things in Gremlins 2, don't they?
Me too.
I think it's that combination of sort of like
horror and like fucking slapstick comedy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I haven't watched it probably for about 10, 15 years.
I watched it last year, I think. It's like a sketch show, isn't it?
It is quite enjoyable. There's a character it's based on Trump, isn't it? The Clamp. Is it Clamp?
Clamp.
Clamp, yeah.
Daniel Clamp.
Yeah, he's Donald Trump, isn't
of course it is, yeah.
There's that whole sort of weird bit with the female gremlin where the guy like just
bangs her. he's
definitely what's implied, isn't
he's
it?
like, go on then.
Would you make love to a female gremlin?
Well, the thing is, you can see during the film the gremlins haven't got any genitals anyway, because the ones like flash her. Do you know what I mean? There's nothing there, so I don't know what he was trying to get.
So what's your worry about the practicality of how you would make love to a gremlin?
Well, I mean, he submitted to whatever with that, hasn't he?
He has. I bet they'd be absolute dynamite in bed.
Maybe.
A gremlin. They'd be down for whatever. They'd be doing loads of weird stuff, wouldn't they? And like laughing at you. And...
laughing at you.
All the women do anyway. It wouldn't be any different. Right, so we're going to give these burgers a bit of a sort of steam now. It's quite good, that steam with the peanut butter as well, to kind of warms that up and gets it sort of a little bit liquidy. Whoa, there we go. Right, so it's always important. Like American, you can melt quite a bit before it absolutely falls to pieces, but Swiss only takes so much melting before it just disappears into the void. Right, so let's check this. Hey. Hey.
Oh.
You up for that?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go then. Right. Yeah. As well. Cool. Right, so there we are. That is 2 peanut butter and jelly boys. Oh, juicy. So I do love a smash patty, but the one thing about a thick patty is the amount of juice you get. Do you know what I mean? You don't quite get that with a smash. I mean, you get lots of flavour with the smash and you get the crispy crust, but you do get just so much juice.
It is.
Right, do you want me to cut this in half then for a bit of a cross section?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Right, man, do you want to go for half on these?
Let's.
Yeah, okay. Oh, man. Right.
Ready?
Yeah, man. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that's good, isn't it?
It's a bit of heat with the peanut butter, saltiness and chunkiness.
Yeah.
Yeah, sweetness and the bacon jam. Oh, that's good. I forget how good these are. So if you're a fan of peanut butter and you're a fan of jam, or jelly as the Americans like to call it, then this is definitely one you're going to enjoy, isn't it?
Cool.
If you're not a fan, you won't like it, so don't do it. Don't waste your time. What are you doing at the end of this video? Yeah, if you don't like it, you shouldn't have watched it. Anyway, the peanut butter and jelly boy.
Is it on?
Yes, boss.
Well, can you see me, Ronald?
Yeah.
Excellent. Thanks for watching, folks. I'm Tommy, and when I'm not chasing the Beefy Boys in person, I'm following them all over YouTube. You can too. Just subscribe here. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. Oh, God damn it, Ronald!
Sorry, boss.